हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और एल्गोरिदम्स। इट इज़ अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, टुडे our topic is related with an irrational number, root 10 and root 17, which are an irrational number, and we have to show this number on the same number line. So root 10 and root 17 that we have to show on a number line, same number line. So for that we are in need of a scale, after that compass and a protractor and a pencil. So you draw a line at first. यहाँ क्या करना है आपको, एक लाइन जो है निकालना है. We are drawing a line here. On that you take a origin. आपको क्या लेना है, वहाँ origin लेना है. So you are taking a origin here. It is our 0, which is the origin O, and you see this root 10 and root 17, which we have to show. Which is the perfect square, that is the 9. 9 जो है क्या, it is a perfect square. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16, means 17 के पहले 16 है, which is the perfect square. So we have to draw 3 and the 4 units. So you draw here, it is the first unit, it is the second unit, it is the third unit, and it is the fourth unit. It is the 1 unit distance, it is the 2 unit distance, it is the 3 unit distance, it is the 4 unit distance. Now you have taken a 1 unit distance. So with the help of a protractor, D आपको लेना है, and with the help of this protractor you draw a perpendicular on this distance, 3 unit distance. Draw a perpendicular. It is a perpendicular we have drawn here in this way, which is the 90 degree. Similarly you draw a perpendicular on also 4. So it is a 4. Now after that you take a 1 unit distance. 1 unit distance आपको यहाँ लेना है, जितना हमने लिया था ये. Now with the help of this compass you mark here 1 unit distance. This is in this way, it is also in this way. Now after that you join this. This one and this one. Now at first we are thinking about a root 10. root 10 के बारे में हम अभी क्या देखने वाले हैं. Name it. It is a O, A, B, C and a D. Now you only consider about O, A, B in triangle OAB. Now which is a right angle triangle. Now by applying the Pythagoras theorem now, it is OB square, that is the hypotenuse square, that we know it. E is equal to one side square plus other side square. So it is a OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OB square is equal to OA, it is nothing but 3 unit. 3 square plus AB, it is 1 unit. It is 9 plus 1, it is equal to 10. So OB square is equal to 10. Taking the square root on both sides, OB is equal to root 10. ये root 10 हमको अभी मिल गया. This is our root 10. It is the 1 unit. This is also the 1 unit distance. Now project it on a number line. Number line पे हमको क्या उसको प्रोजेक्ट करना है. Draw this point on the number line. You keep a point here, needle point here, and a pencil point here. The same method you have to apply, which we have already applied for root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. Now see this. This is our root 10. This is our root 10. Now similarly, you apply a Pythagoras theorem to another right angle triangle. In the same way, apply Pythagoras theorem to this OCD. Theorem to triangle OCD. Now it is a OD square. We are applying directly. E is equal to OC square plus CD square. It is OC, it is a 4 unit. 4 square plus 1 square, 16 plus 1, it is equal to 17. So OD square is equal to 17. Taking the square root on both sides, we will get here OD is equal to root 17. Now we got a root 17 in terms of hypotenuse. This is a root 17. Project it on number line with the help of compass. This way. See this. This is our point root 17. Point root 17 K M. In this way you can draw various points on the number line. If you have any type of difficulty, you may ask me in a comment box. I will try to solve your difficulty. Thank you very much.